again. It's a rich thing.
Hello and welcome back to Kids Editing. Today we're making zoom through text effect. Let's get started, shall we? Let us begin. Okay, before we start, I just want to say that if you really like watching these videos, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. Okay, let's go. So first go to the titles. Choose any type of the title, but make sure it is a single line text and add it to the timeline. Now start editing the text by double clicking on it. Write down your text and choose a bold font. This one's my favorite, I'm going to use it. Increase the size of the text because we'll be zooming in through it. So make sure the text size is really big. Once you're happy with the font, go to the media and go to sample colors. Now choose the black and drag it to the timeline. Now you have to make sure you have to drag it on the track under the title. If the title is on the first track, then move it to the second one and put that black sample color below it. We'll take a screenshot of this and delete the title and the black screen because we don't need them anymore. We just need the screenshot. Now add your main video that you want to see when the text is zoomed out to the timeline. Put the screenshot on the track above the video from the beginning. Now double click on the screenshot and go to compositing. In the blending mode, select multiply. When you do that, you can see the video is visible through the text now. Now we just need to apply the zoom effect to it. And for that, we'll be using crop and zoom. But before doing so, make sure to put the blending mode to normal. Otherwise, you'll only see a black screen when you go to crop and zoom. Now select the screenshot and click on crop and zoom. Now go to pan and zoom. Make sure to select the end screen as small as possible. We want to put it inside an alphabet to get a smoother effect. You can also make the text bigger if it doesn't fit. Hit OK and let's check the zoom effect. Okay, the zoom is working fine. You can also adjust the zoom duration by reducing the duration of the screenshot. Now put the blending back to multiply and hey, we're done. You can use this effect on many of your videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section. And guys, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Keep editing and kids out.